In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a side mirror on your Chevy Sonic. Let's get started. Remove the trim cover for the mirror, pull straight out. There's two clips. Using a pick, pop open the trim cover. Behind there will be a 10mm screw. Remove the screw. Avoid dropping it behind the door panel so you never need to remove it. Remove the connector for the mirror. Push on the tab, pull straight back, remove the connector. Put a hand on the mirror and remove the last screw. Remove the mirror. Install the cover. Get the outside corner started first. Snap it into place. Install the mirror. Get the bolt started. Snug the bolts down. Install the connector for the mirror. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Install the trim cap. Install the mirror trim. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.